Thank you. Thank you for joining the first session for AWS Batch 440. Myself, Ankit Narula, I'm the trainer for this batch 440. So, how we are going to start the day one for this batch AWS 440. So, to start this day one, what I'm going to do it is first of all, I'm going to give my introduction. After my introduction, then you guys have any question related to career, related to training, relate to anything, whichever you have any related to course content, then you can raise your hand and ask your question. And whoever is going to raise their hand, they'll get the permission to speak. Those people can speak in the training. By default, you don't have a permission to speak, but once I'll give you the permission, then you can unmute yourself and speak. Okay. So I have total 12 plus years of experience in the IT industry. Out of this 12 years plus years of experience in IT industry, in first 3 years, I worked in Oracle applications as a techno-functional consultant. And then from last 9 years, I'm working on topmost two cloud platforms which we have in market, which is AWS and Azure. And recently I started working on one more tool called ServiceNow also. It's been a year now. I'm working on that also. So this is about my professional experience. Coming to my training experience, I'm giving training from more than 10 years. Yeah, earlier I was giving training on Oracle apps, and it's been a long time I'm giving training on cloud platforms. Currently, I'm giving multiple trainings from with Logical Apps tie-up. I'm providing training on AWS DevOps, Azure Admin, Azure DevOps, AWS Terraform, and Azure Terraform also. So this is about my training experience. Now, if anyone has any question related to your career, anything you want to ask, you can please raise your hand. And I'm going to share some of the details in the chat box. I'm sharing our social media details. You guys can follow us on social media. And I'm sharing the WhatsApp community of this batch 440. If you are not in the WhatsApp community, please join the WhatsApp community, because all the information about this batch details you will get under this WhatsApp community. So please make sure you are in the WhatsApp community from day one till last date. And I'm also going to share the course content link. If you haven't seen the course content, you can see the course content by using the link. But if you are in the WhatsApp community, in the description of the WhatsApp community, you will see the link there. And the one thing I'm also going to share is my support team details, Logical App support team details. If you face any issue related to payment, related to Zoho links, then you can contact them. But yes, don't contact them for the technical questions. They are not a technical people. For technical questions, I'm sharing my email address. So you guys can note down right now, because in future, when you're going to start practice and you have any doubt whenever you're practicing, you can email me to my email address. So please, whatever the links I have given, you can click on those links and note down my email address, and so it will be easy for you to practice also whenever you get stuck. Now, if anyone have any question related to anything, you can please raise your hand and ask your questions. Anyone have any question related to training, related to your career, anything? Yes, Vishal, you can mute. Vishal, you're on mute. You can unmute yourself now.
Hello.
Vishal, I can hear you.
Okay. So, hi Ankit, myself Vishal. I'm working as a senior associate QA, like SDET, but I want to transition into this AWS and the DevOps side, and also I'm learning about the solution architect thing on the AWS side. So, will it help me regarding this course? Like, if I opt for this course, so will it be helpful for me?
Definitely, yes, because right now every company is switching to
Mm.
cloud platforms. Not just, I'm
Yes.
not
Yes.
specifying the AWS right now. All
Hmm.
companies are switching to cloud perfects, AWS, Azure, or Google. Everyone is switching it because
Yes,
with the
because
help
right
of, they
now.
don't have to manage it, those servers.
Correct, correct. Right now, I'm working on the GCP platform, but some products from my company is also using the AWS side. So that's why I opt for this.
AWS is number one cloud right now. It's been a
Yes, yes,
long time. They
yeah.
are number one right now in market.
Yeah, yeah.
So yeah,
And also the
definitely.
service provisioning, multiple provisioning as compared to the other clouds.
Sorry, can you please repeat the question again?
So I just told like provisioning with the AWS is more comfortable and very real time work rather than the other platforms like
Mhm.
compared to
No,
Azure and
it's not like that. I'm working on Azure also. I
GCP.
can't say those things right now. It's like I didn't feel
Okay,
it because I'm working on Azure also. So I
okay,
didn't feel it.
okay,
I'm not sure about Google. I didn't work on Google till now.
okay,
But
okay,
yeah,
yeah.
but with Azure, I didn't feel it. But yeah, if I talk about the platform little bit about Azure and AWS compare, AWS
Hmm.
one is little faster than Azure one. It's little better, I
Okay.
can say that. Yeah, that's what you are saying. Little better, we have it. As per
Yes.
my suggestion, that's what I feel it.
Yeah.
But yeah, both are AWS and Azure both are good. Depend on every company. But
Hmm.
yes,
Yeah.
AWS is little better.
Yes. No, why I'm like telling this because they have made a provisioning for the MCP with the help of Amazon Q. So I just did one project like for myself integrating the MCP like Amazon Q with the DevOps side. So it is I like that thing. They have
Yeah,
whatever they yeah.
they have very simple process. Whatever we need to
Yes.
make it, it's very easy to understand. And if I talk
Yes.
about the AWS documentation, I'm seriously speaking, personally, one of the best documentation ever read in my life. I've
Yes.
read
Yes.
AWS also, Azure also, I've read Oracle also, even I read ServiceNow documentations also. But AWS has one of the best documentation ever.
It's correct.
They're good in
Yeah.
everything. Yeah.
Yes. So that's all from my end. Okay.
Yeah, definitely it will help you. Once you can learn
Yeah.
this thing, then you can switch to AWS DevOps also after that.
Yes. Yeah. Sure. Thank you.
Thank you. Yes, Venkat, you can unmute.
Are you able to hear my voice?
Yes, I can hear you.
Actually, I am a Java developer, so I'm
Hmm.
planning to move it to AWS cloud. So,
Hmm.
so I'm new to AWS actually.
Okay.
So many companies are, as you said, many companies are expecting AWS cloud experience as well. So many things are asking in AWS cloud. What I observed. So will it cover EKS, ECS as well? Because some of the projects are using EKS, ECS as well when I come across multiple projects. So can you please add as part of this uh, training session, or will it be covered other session? Can you please guide us?
The one which you're talking about is DevOps services. You're talking about a Kubernetes service. You're talking about DevOps service, a Docker service.
Yeah,
So
Docker,
think,
I mean EKS and ECS, most of the, I mean, I faced a few interviews. So during interview session, they are asking, expecting ECS and EKS as well.
Okay,
So
so those
I'm not
starting
sure. I mean, what
those
are the roles for? I mean, the AWS cloud side. So I just have a doubt whether we need to learn EKS and ECS as well, or just enough for this. I mean, whatever course content having, these are enough. Can you please
the,
help?
the Venkat, which the two services name which you're talking about, those are coming under AWS DevOps. So next,
Okay.
DevOps is actually a next part of AWS associate course. That's the next part. So first you have to know to go to DevOps, you need to know about AWS also first. So here you are going to learn from basic to advanced level of AWS associate level. Then after that, the next step is AWS DevOps. The two services which you're talking, that's the next part of AWS. So first you have to learn AWS associate. Once you complete AWS associate, then you can go for AWS DevOps. In that one, you will learn those two services, and to learn those services it will be easy for you to learn those services. Why? Because to learn those services you need to know what is EC2 machine, you need to know what is virtual network, VPC. So there are some prerequisite to learn few services which is coming under AWS DevOps also. So those you will learn here, and then once you go for AWS DevOps you will easily learn those services.
Okay. And basically, what are the roles for Java developers into AWS cloud? I mean,
There
I just
is
want to know.
no specific roles we have for developer here. Like, not I'm talking about any specific Java developer or Python developer. This is associate one. There's no developer roles we have in this. Any
Okay.
person, even a person who's a fresher, a person is in any technology working, can move to AWS associate. Any person, not specific to developers. Any person who is fresher or even a person who is with any other experience came here. That like I when I moved, I was working on Oracle applications. Oracle application clouds having no link together. They are completely opposite to each other. So my Oracle experience when I was working doesn't count in AWS one that time. But I moved it. That's because I got opportunity in the same company. I'm working in the same company from long time. And my goodness is if I'm working in the same company, that's why 2023 my company applied for my work visa in US. Right now I'm in US right now in Kansas. Earlier I was working from India. I'm in H1B visa. I hope I'd be aware of what is H1B visa. So that's what they did, my company.
Okay.
Okay. Any more question? So we don't have a specific role, but yes, whatever you are going to learn, that will help in your career.
Yeah, and also, what are the, I mean, expected questions, whether interview can ask? So, can you also
Yeah, I'm
share
going to
it?
share this, whatever in this training we are going to learn. First of all, I'm going to tell you whatever few basic questions I'm going to tell you. At the end of the training, you will get interview questions also, which is related to AWS Associate. And once you complete DevOps training, at DevOps training also you will get some interview questions from my team. I think so. They're sharing it. So from
Okay,
AWS Associate, definitely you will get more than 200 interview questions. You will get.
it's great, Ankit.
Okay.
Thank you.
And these are the things you will get from our side once we complete this training. These are even you will get to some self-learning project. You will get some documents also. These things you will get at the end of the training. On daily basis, you will get live training recordings, training PPTs. Because to give this training, I'm using some more than 100 PPTs. I'm using it. This is I'm sharing on daily basis. Or 97, sorry, not 100. 97. Okay.
Okay. Yeah, sure, Ankit. Got it. Thank you.
Anyone have any more question? Guys, please don't post your questions in chat box or QA. Whatever the question you have to raise your hand and ask your questions. Yes, you cannot put Priya. Yes, Priya, you can unmute. Priya, you can unmute yourself now.
Hey, Mr. Ankit. So
Hi.
I just wanted to know the basic questions like, do we need to know anything prior to doing this course?
No.
Because
But
okay,
if
okay,
to work, sorry to interrupt you, to work on the cloud platform, you need to know basic Linux required. So that's a part of this
mhm.
training.
Okay, yeah, that's fine for me.
Okay, any more
I
question?
no, and can we access this application on which you are giving us the training? Can we use on office laptops?
It depends
Uh,
on your office laptop. If they have some restrictions, then no.
so
Because
do we? Okay, do
website you
we?
can let me complete. Website you
Okay.
can access the AWS website, I think so, but to connect to
Okay.
practice your things, you have to connect to EC2 machines, like virtual machines you have to connect. So that might be, I'm not sure you can connect from your office laptop a lot. They have might be restricted in that case.
Okay, okay. So you will share us the link of your platform
This
on which
one,
you are sharing with
this
us
one,
recording.
this is the one. You have to just go to signin.aws.amazon.com. This is
Okay,
the URL we are going to use. This is public URL.
okay, okay,
But yes,
okay,
might be you can open this, you can connect to your AWS account from your laptop, but you have to connect to virtual machines. EC2 machines
okay.
you have to connect. So that time I believe you have to download some tool called Putty from internet, Putty and
Yeah,
Putty Gen. That might
okay,
be have restricted you.
okay.
So
I will
those
check
I'm not
for.
sure about those things.
Okay, okay. And the sessions you are going live, which are also which can be also accessible through the any website, or we have to download the application only.
You're talking about recordings. After the session, you'll get recordings.
Uh, After that also, or the live also, the Zoho webinar, like,
Like whatever
because
right
first,
now, how you are connecting right
okay.
now.
So I just connected on my phone only.
Yes, you can connect from a laptop also. There's some small application they are going to download, and then you can connect from your laptop also.
But this is the office time, and if we are in office, so they will not allow us to keep personal laptop with us. That's why I'm asking.
No, yeah, you can connect from mobile also. You can connect, and once we complete this session, let's say like today's session is completed. For first few
Mm.
days, we'll upload recordings on YouTube channel and we'll share the recording. But after demo sessions are completing, then we'll only share with paid candidates. That time we are uploading in our website called logiclabstech.com. You can access those recordings from logiclabtech.com, or you are using Android. Are you Android user or iOS user?
So on mobile iOS user.
Yes, no, but we don't have an application for iOS, but we for Android we have a mobile application also. So if any Android user, they can have that mobile application installed, they can access. But yes, you are a iOS user, so we don't have an app for iOS. You can access from a laptop this website, logiclabstech.com, to access those recordings. To
Okay.
practice, like we have to rewatch the recording. You have to access this website.
Okay, okay, okay. Thank you. And one more thing.
Hmm.
Actually, I am not a architect person. But yeah, while working on the projects, I got an opportunity to work as a solution architect for a
Hmm.
sustainability project.
Hmm.
Okay. So it is the zeroth phase, and I just wanted to, um, uh, know the things how we can integrate other systems which together, and what are the connector sort of things. So will be part of this course, or I have to refer some other thing also along with this course.
We are not learning anything like how we are going to connect third party applications with AWS. There is nothing coming in this associate level. Those things are coming under different trainings. It is not coming under those ones.
Okay, so if we talk about the solution
Have to
architect part,
first tell a service name, which service you're talking about to connect third-party services also. There are a lot of services. They have more than 250 services.
okay, okay. So will this training be helpful for my project also?
Priya, I don't know which services you are using right now in your project.
Sorry, your voice is breaking.
I'm not aware of which services are used in your project. So based on, if I know that, then I can give you a better answer, which more things you have to learn after this.
Uh, okay. Okay, actually, yeah, we are just gathering the information from the client side and trying to understand what system they are right now using. So it's very beginning of my
Basic,
project also.
yeah, so basic, definitely they are using some basic services, which is part of our training. Might be 100% they're using EC2, they are using S3, they are using it, VPC, they have to use. That's mandatory service, VPC. My 100%. If they are using EC2, so definitely you use VPC also. So some of the services definitely they use it.
Mm-hmm.
So do they have any website also in AWS?
No,
Okay, so then they are not might be using Route 53.
no,
Then
I
they are
right. Actually, yeah, they are using some EHS and ESG applications, tools like Intellex, Workiva, this type of tools, and they are uh, putting their data manually, so they want to automate and integrate systems each other for publishing their annual reports also and managing their data.
definitely then they are using load balancers also. They are using load balancers also because they have a lot
Okay,
of EC2 machines in that case. Yeah, so
okay,
definitely some of the services whichever they are using, you will learn in this training. But if you in upcoming days, if you provide me more details, I can give you more details in future right now. What are the services they are using?
okay, okay.
Okay.
Yeah, thank you, it's
Thank
helpful.
you. Okay. Anyone have any more question? Please raise your hand. Yes, Rajiv, you can unmute.
I was just trying to figure out about about this course, but it's going to help me with the AWS Solution Architect Associate certification only.
This is only for that one, AWS Solution Architect.
Architect Associate, the first certification course.
Let me open the certification path for you. Here it is.
Okay, sorry about this. I was a
Just a
little late.
minute. Here it is. This is the path we have. And in this training, we are learning about this one.
This part.
AWS Solution. This is actually fun. These are fundamental. These are optional. These are
Fundamental.
completely optional. You don't have to give these exams to go to associate. The first step I'm always considering is associate level. The first step. Second step is professional. Third step is specialist. So this training is considering this one. AWS Solution Architect, and the certification number is SAAC03.
C03.
Yes, so for this certification, at the end of the training, you will get a dump also. With the help of that particular dump, you can clear the certification easily. You can clear. There are
Okay.
some 500 questions you will get. You can learn it, and once when you're giving the exam, it help you to clear the certification.
And the same certification could help in the subsequent phase of professional phase of either going into DevOps engineering or
Yes, because after this, the two steps are one is DevOps, one is associate professional level.
okay.
Yes, but yes, you have for DevOps and for this solution architect professional, you need to learn some more services. And dump will be different because in this they are adding more services. So not like same dump will not work for those certifications.
Right. Understood. Okay. That's it.
Any more question?
No.
Okay, thank you. Anyone have any more question? Okay. No question. So let's start discuss about what is AWS. So whenever the word AWS come, the first thing what needs to become in our mind is cloud computing. Why? Because all these cloud platform, whichever we have it in market, it's AWS, it's Azure, it's Google, it's Alibaba, it's IBM Cloud, any cloud, whichever we have it in market, are created based on a technology called cloud computing. Now, what are these clouds are? We can access these cloud platform from any part of the location. So we are, you can sit anywhere in your office, at home, any cafe, anywhere where you just have an internet connection. You can access these cloud platform from any part of the world. And you can even use your public cloud also, even private cloud, or sorry, public network also, even you can use private network also to access these cloud platforms. Now, what is public network? The network which you are using right now, usually to connect to our WhatsApp, Telegram, Gmail. This is a normal internet connection which we are using. That's a public network. The private network is the network which is used in organization, which we also called as VPN. So we can, by using VPN also, we can access these cloud platform. But yes, in that VPN, if they have enabled it, then only we can access. If they have restricted, then we can't access the cloud platform. And we can access these cloud platform from any of the device, from our laptop, from desktop, from mobiles. We can access from anywhere. Yes, if you're trying to access from mobile or iPad, there's some restrictions you will find it, but fully you can't access. But from your desktop and from a laptop, you can fully access these cloud platforms. And this cloud platform can be used for any solution, whatever the type of solution your client needed, for storage, for infrastructure, for making any new application, or they just want to use only to store their data. It work for every single requirement. They have a solution for every single thing, whichever is our requirement. Then here we have some features about cloud computing. I'm not going to discuss in more details about these cloud computing feature, but yes, one of the important feature I'm going to discuss is pay as you go. That feature I'm going to discuss. Now, what is this pay as you go? In cloud platforms, you don't have to pay for 1 week, for 1 day, or for full month. No, you don't have to pay for it. You're only paying for it whatever you are using it. Only you are paying for those. Like if you are using any service for 2 hours, so you are only paying for 2 hours. It doesn't mean that you have to pay for full day or for full week or full month. No. If you're using that service for 2 hours, you are only paying for 2 hours. You don't have to pay for more than 2 hours. And one more thing, why companies are switching to cloud platform now? Let's take example. I want to make my own application. To make my own application, I am going to keep those servers in my office. What we are doing before cloud platforms? We are buying those servers. We need some physical location in our office or might be somewhere else. We need that location. There we are keeping those servers. To keep those servers, first of all, we have to pay the rent of that place, or we have to buy that place. That's one investment. Second investment, we have to buy those servers. To buy those servers, we have to invest huge amount of money. Yes. To manage those servers, we need 24/7 employees. One more investment. To run those servers, we need internet connection. We need electricity connection. We'll get a bill for internet connection. We'll get a bill for electricity. And we need the backup also of our internet. Might be our internet will stop working, so we need another internet connection also. We backup. For electricity also, we need backup. Might be some disaster recovery will happen. Anything happen in that area, the electricity is not coming. So we need backup of electricity also. So think how much investment a company has to do it to make their own application before cloud platforms. So from that day, now we have the cloud platform. To start your own application, you have to invest zero. You don't have to invest anything. To create your AWS account, they are just going to charge you 2 rupees or $1, and that 2 rupees or $1 you will get refund in 3 to 5 days. So they are not charging you anything to create your account. So that's the reason all companies are switching to cloud platforms. And most of the companies have a policy, whatever the systems they are using, they have to upgrade after 3-4 years. Definitely they have to upgrade, because every 3-4 years will get something new. So if you have your own servers, if you want to update your server, definitely again you have to do some investment. But if AWS is upgrading their servers, do you have to invest some money? No, you don't have to worry about upgrading the servers. That's AWS responsibility. You don't need big internet connection. Yeah, small internet connection will work for you. You don't need internet backup. You have a laptop, your laptop have a battery, so it will work. So no investment is not much investment. You just need a laptop. That's it. That's the only small investment you have to do it to make your own applications on cloud platform. So this is the reason why companies are moving to cloud platforms. Now, we have a different types of cloud computing models we have. The first one is deployment model, and second one is service model. In deployment models, we have 3 types: public, private, hybrid. Service model, IaaS, PaaS, and SaaS. Now, the first one is public cloud. All the cloud platform which we have in markets is AWS, is Azure, Google. All the cloud platforms are called as public cloud, because these are public URLs, anyone can create their account and access these cloud platforms. So these all cloud platforms are called as public cloud. And I was talking about when companies have to make their own application, they have to buy servers, they have to keep their own. Still, some companies have right now. So those type of clouds are called as private cloud. Whenever company is having their own physical servers, those type of clouds are called as private cloud. And private clouds are also called as internal cloud or corporate clouds also. And when a company is using both the cloud platform, when they have their own physical servers, also when they have their own AWS account also, or Azure account also, when a company is using both the both the things, public and private, those type of clouds we can call as hybrid cloud. So if company is using both, those are hybrid cloud. So these are some of the deployment models we have. Now coming to service model. All the cloud platform which we have are considered as an infrastructure as a service model. Why? because we are going to use their services. We are using their network. We are using their storage connection. We are using their servers. We are using their services. So all the cloud platforms are coming under infrastructure as a service model. Next is platform as a service. In AWS, we have a service called Elastic Beanstalk. This service is coming under platform as a service. We will learn this service in upcoming session. Just a little overview I'm going to give it right now. Now, why this service is coming under platform as a service? Because under this platform, they are giving a platform to us. We have to just only upload our code and provide some details. Whatever the infrastructure is required, they are the one who is going to take care of that infrastructure. They'll create that infrastructure. We have to just provide what is our requirement. They will make that infrastructure for us. In more details, we will learn about this service in upcoming session once we'll come to this particular service. Then third and the last one is software as a service. Gmail, Dropbox, WhatsApp, Telegram, Amazon, Netflix, Amazon Prime, all these things are coming under software as a service. Why it is coming under software as a service? Because to access these applications, we have a mobile applications also, and even we have a web applications also. So whenever we have both the things, even I can say our logical abstract, this is also coming under a software as a service. Because to access this website, we have a website also, web application, we have a mobile application also. This one. We have a mobile app called Logical Apps. So I can access those recordings and notes from web application, also even from mobile application also. And even same like emails also we can access from mobile also, even from our web application also. So wherever we have a mobile app and web application, all of those things are coming under software as a services. So these are some of the types of cloud computing we have in market. Now, which cloud we are going to learn in this training? We are going to learn AWS cloud, which is started in the year 2006. And they have invested a huge amount of money in the data center across global. And they have currently right now 36 regions. Now, what is regions? Regions are like data centers, physical servers in whichever the locations they have a physical servers right now. This is currently 36 and which is growing on more and more. Now, here are the full list we can see. Here I'm getting. So here are those one we have it in North America. The list is given here wherever these are the one. Wherever this dark gray is there, these are the one we have currently right now. Wherever this dot is there, this is coming soon. So we don't have anything coming soon right now in the North America region right now. Go to South America, there are two. One is we have right now, one is coming soon. So it means under construction, this one is. Here I can see. This isn't coming soon. We have Europe. One is coming soon. So here we have 4 they are showing. This is one is coming soon. Saudi Arabia, we have 3. In Africa, we have only 1. Asia Pacific, here we have. We have in India, we have in Hyderabad also, in Mumbai also we have. Here we have. If I click here, I'll get details in which year they started, in 2022. Mumbai one was started in 2026. The first region which they created, that was in North Virginia region. It is this one, Northern Virginia, in 2006. And here they have written something called availability zone. Now, what is this availability zone? We will discuss in upcoming session. This is a very important thing. We will discuss. Somewhere you will see 6, somewhere you will see 3. Minimum 3 you always see. But in some regions you will find 4 also. So what is this? We will discuss. Here we have 3. So this started this one. Oh, they have started this one also. New Zealand one also. This one recently they have launched. 2025. Sydney, Melbourne 2023. They have started this one also. So right now these are the regions we have, and it's see, now it's 38. So few days before it is 36, now it's 38. So it's not 36 anymore, it is 38 now. 38 regions they have. So still we have 2 or 3 which are coming soon. So definitely more, it's going to be 40 above in upcoming. Okay, so 3 are there. These are the 3 one which is going to be coming soon. So whenever we are trying to create any AWS service, first we have to select the region, in which region we are going to create that particular service. So in clients, they are going to decide it. When you are doing practice, that time you can choose whichever you want to use for your practice purpose. Now, how you can practice this, when how you are going to practice those things whenever we are going to learn in this training. To practice all those things, you have to create your AWS account. And is AWS is going to charge you for your practice purpose? No. There are some free quota we are getting it. So if you are using under that free quota, then they are not going to charge you. So what is that free quota you will get? Let's discuss about those things. So when you're going to create your AWS account, you will get 12 months free quota. So it means your AWS account is going to free for 12 months from the day you are going to create your account. Like if you're going to create today on 11th November 2025, till 11th November 2026, your AWS account is going to be free. But it doesn't mean that's unlimited free. No. In 12 months free quota, you will get per month quota from their side. If you are using under that per month free quota, then you will not get any. If you are exceeding the free quota, then you will get some bill. And in our practice, there are 1 or 2 services which we are going to learn, which are paid services. I'm going to tell you about those services when we are learning those services. So that will be your choice. You want to practice or not, or you can just learn by watching the recording. It's up to you. They're not going to charge you much. That will be just 10 cents per hour they're going to charge. So if you just practice 2 or 3 times, that will not much bill you will get. But most of the services which we are going to learn in this training are coming under our 12 months free quota. And in 12 months free quota, you'll get some quota, per month quota, and under that per month quota, they were specifying the types also, that you have to use those specific types. If you're using those specific types, then you will not get any bill. If you're using any other those types, then you will get a bill from their side. And there are services which are always free for lifetime, which are coming under 12 months quota also. Even once you complete 12 months free quota, that time also those services are free. You will not get bill even after 12 months also. Then there are services which are coming under trial period. Trial period means like those services are only free for 15 days. Services are only free for 40 days, or services are free only for 100 hours. Like this, they are giving some trial services also. And here is the full list which we can check to which services are coming under 12 months free, always free, or trial period. and which specific types they are giving free to us. Here I'm getting services name EC2, S3, RDS, DynamoDB. If I open EC2, view details, here they have mentioned the types. Here I'm getting it. This is coming under our free tier. View details, this is also coming. RDS. I can put a filter also. Free plans. Here I'm getting. So these all are coming under our free plan. If you want to see always free, here we are. These are always free services. But in always free, if I talk about DynamoDB, you can store up to 25 GB of data. So till 25 GB of data is always free for lifetime for you. But once you exceed more than 25 GB, they will start charging you. Lambda is always free, lifetime. 1 million requests per month you are getting for lifetime. So once you increase more than 1 million requests, then they start charging you. Otherwise, they are not going to charge you. So here we have all those services name, whichever is coming under our free tier, like CloudWatch. 10 metrics or 10 alarms are free. More than that, then they'll start. So we can store up to 5 GB of data also under their logs, CloudWatch logs. So here you will get all the services name. Even you can search that service name. Like I can remove this filter. I can search that service name, whichever I want to do. Like I just going to search a service route 53. I'm getting here. This is also coming under our free tier. Free. Is always free service on a free. Postage on that is deleted within 12 hours of creation. So if you delete within 12 hours of creation, then they'll not charge you. If you keep it more than 12 hours, then they can charge you. So here we have the list of services which is coming under our plans. These are paid one, which is going to be chargeable one. Selecting the free one. So let me remove this. Here. You want to see learn more, click on learn more. You will get more details about that particular service there. But we are going to learn those services in our upcoming session. Here we go. Now, so here, these are the free things you will get when you're going to practice. And even I'm also going to tell you what are the things is free when the service we are learning. We will discuss more details when we are learning those services. And here we have a market review. Every year we are getting a market review here. So that if you see here, AWS is #1 cloud in market. #2 is Microsoft. #3 is Google. 4 is Oracle. And then we have other clouds in market. So it's every year we got one market review. This is the recent which we got the market review. And in this training, these are the services which we are going to learn in this training. We can count also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28 services which we are going to learn in this training. And duration for this course is near about 45 days. Means today the first day till next 45 days we will be there. No session on Saturday, Sunday. Each session is going to be near about 1 hour. Session timing will be as per our schedule timing, which we have. As per India, it is 5:30 p.m. to 6:30 p.m. IST. As per USA, it is 6 a.m. to 7 a.m. See, start time is always this one. So there is no change in the start time. End time can be up and down based on the topic which we are learning. And each session we are going to record and we are going to provide the recordings to all our candidates. And after this training, if you want to go for any certification, you can go for a certification called AWS Solution Architect Associate level. And if you are going to join this training, these are the things you will get from our side. On daily basis, you will get live training, recording, training PPTs, and at the end of the training, you will get these things. You will get a dump which help you to clear certification. You will get a AWS document which I have created, more than 900-page document. You will get sample resumes. You will get interview questions. You will get a quiz. With the help of quiz, you can check your knowledge. You can attempt that quiz multiple times. You will get there's a service called Code Commit service, AWS, which is coming under DevOps part. You can learn that service also. And then you will get 2 self-learning projects at the end of the training. So these are the things you will get from our side if you're going to join this training. So this is what we have from my side for today's session. Any question anyone have, please raise your hand. In tomorrow's session, we are going to learn about how to create a AWS account. And then we are going to start a new AWS service called EC2 machine. Now, any question anyone have, please raise your hand. Yes, you can, Rajiv. Rajiv, you can unmute yourself.
Okay. Hi. So I was just saying that I really liked your teaching style. At least going over by your first session, I really liked it. I also wanted to know, and I'm probably jumping ahead. Do you also provide a subsequent training for the solution architect professional certification?
No, I'm not
No.
providing. No, I'm not providing those ones right now.
Okay. That's all. Thank you.
Thank you. Anyone have any more question? Yes, Santosh, you can unmute.
Am I audible?
Yes, Santosh.
Two questions. Like AWS dumps will be the latest one.
Definitely yes. That's why I'm providing at the end of the training. So might be if I get any update before ending of the training, you will get a latest one.
Thank you. And the second question is like interview questions provided by you. Real-time interview questions will be there.
Definitely yes.
Real
I am going
interview
to
question.
provide you different interview questions.
I mean to say like questions based on real-time scenarios.
Some are real time also, some are other also. Different we have.
Okay, thank you.
Mix of you will get it.
Okay, thank you.
Anyone have any more question? Anyone have any more question? Look like no one has any more questions. So let's just end this session here. In tomorrow's session, we will learn about how to create AWS account, and we will learn a first AWS service called EC2. Thank you all. Thank you for joining today's session. See you tomorrow. Have a nice day. Thank you.